Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap is going to be a little bit different. There could possibly be a little bit of machining in or a little bit of welding, I'm not sure. But what I have done is I've edited a video using all the outtake videos from the last 12 months. There'll be one or two you might have seen. There'll be quite a few you won't have seen. I must stress from the onset that that is bad language in this video. I know there's a lot of children watch these videos and the children know all the words that I say. There's nothing worse than what I say on TV after 9 o'clock. So saying that, either get the children to bed or tell them not to listen. The swearing is really, it's what happens in a workshop anyway. So you have been warned, there's swearing throughout. That's the reason there's no adverts on the videos, because YouTube don't like us putting adverts on videos that contain bad language. So the first video, like I say, is going to be this year's outtakes. Then the next video, which could be quite a long one, I've strung together 2 or 3 years worth of video outtakes. Once again, no adverts, bit of swearing. So if you want to just plod your way through watching that, I'm sure you'll find it funny and quite enjoyable. The free Christmas raffle I'm doing, or the free Christmas draw for the Power Weld welding helmet from Robert Extreme, is going very well. One problem is you've got to put a comment in the comment box. This is the comment you've got to put in. It's Extreme Plasma Giveaway 2024. It must be wrote like that, with no block capitals, no full stops, wrote exactly like that. Extreme starts with an X, not an E, and it's a small X, because my computer will only pick out the comment that's wrote like this. So if you haven't wrote like that, you'll have to go back and comment again. It's burning you. You alright? You got a make burn? Oh. Let's see a little face, make sure it's you.
Make sure it's me, it wasn't me.
You welded it?
Oh God, that hurt. Look at that.
Ah, you know.
That hurt, went straight through.
That's how you roll it. Please, I should have given you a proper coach, shouldn't I?
You should have.
No, mate. As far as I know that. I want a brand new top here. I'll put a brand new piss off. A brand new piss off, is it? I've just dropped that top and it's gone into a big box of fucking steel. Bollocks. You useless fucking whore. Where the fuck's that gone? Oh, Johnny, man. I've had it away at a friend's. I haven't had it at a friend's, you fucking knob. The images you've just seen of the broken pipe fitting, fuck off. That's the broken pipe fitting you've just seen, the fixture. Fixture. Come on, you bastard, scabby twat, you. This is a bit of decent material. Oh, you bastard. Bit of decent material. Oh, you bastard. It's the fucking end of that, isn't it? Ah. Fuck me, aye. This was in here, but Ian, fucking wank. I got a nice little copper bastard. I had a nice little copper washer. Oh. John, man. Look, I've got a box full of the bastard things. And it's a fucking mile away. Ah, you fucking clumsy bastard, you! John, man. Bastard fucking sniveler. Fuck me, that's warm. Bastard fucking thing. What else is gonna go around with a scabby fucking job? Oh, John, man, you fucking idiot. Oh, you bastard. John, man, fuck me. Eh? You fucking bloody bastard, you. That's impressive, that, mate.
Yeah, it really...
Keep the fucking thing still, man. Right, hold on. Fuck me. Right,
just hot.
There. That was fucking wank. You fucking bellend. Come on, focus, you spermy bastard, you. Better. Fucking glasses is covered in shite, that's why I can't fucking see. But we need to go a little bit deeper actually. Just to make sure. Come on. Oh yes, that was spectacular. Let's fuck that. What a fucking mess I've made of this. Oh, you bastard. Christ, John, man, you took too much off. You thick twat. Bastard. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another fuck off turnip head. That's why you've got to be careful. That could have quite easily been fucked. If there's a 4-jaw chuck there, play with it. If I had to have any one work tooling, fucking idiot. Tonight's nightcap, I modify a flywheel off an American car, I think it's actually a Mustang car, to take a bigger wank off, man. Fucking stupid head. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another fuck off turnip head. I've had quite a few people come on to us, fucking that'll be right now. Johnny, man. A Morse taper, centre, or an adapter, a drill, whatever you want to put in there. The taper on this drill, it's not a drill, it's a fucking lathe, man. You bastard! Hi, fucking idiot. I've had this MIG welder for 4 years now, and I want to show you a little bit wank that was. I hate that fucking dog. Little bastard thing. I've got a piece of brass bar in the 4-jaw chuck, you fucking arsehole. Just over 50.01, that's going to be idiot fucking belly. What you want to see. Bastard! And that was the end of that. Got the thing fucking tool, mate. That's clearance for definite underneath there, so it's not 3mm. Means that's a 2mm slip gauge, it'll never fucking work, will it? Fucking hell, Richard, man. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another video in a series of videos all about this Rtech 1. Rtech 1, you fucking wanker. I use a gas lens that allows you to have a big stick out on your rod. It's not a rod, man. Fucking scabby aeroplane. Go on, fuck off. Pre-flow, I've got no pre-flow because I'm using a pedal. Don't need an upslope. Welding amps. Right, you fucking knob. All the LEDs light up, it goes through a self-check sequence. Then it diverts. It diverts, does it? You fucking bell end. The screen lights up. There's a series of Ed, you fucking knob. That's the torch I use. It's a dropped fucking torch. Even address up there. You don't fucking need that though. Instead that they've made some massive improvements to the 181. It is a 181, you fucking knob. It's got a touch screen and it's got a load of preset settings to weld, because it's a fucking welder. Rtech got in touch with me a few weeks ago and said that they'd been bringing out wank. Reasonably flat. It's not as buckled to shite. What's wrong with this fucking thing? Fucking Brewers Group. I've had it away at a friend's. I haven't had it at a friend's, you fucking knob. The images you've just seen of the broken pipe fitting, fuck off. That's the broken pipe fitting you've just seen, the fixture. I need to drill and tap those holes. They're already drilled, you fucking oof. Come on, you bastard, scabby twat, you. Oh, fucking hell. Aye. You know, I knew that was going to happen, the bastard. Right then, Johnny lad, you let it fix that now, won't you? Fucking hell. Now, well, at least I can line it up now, can't I? Bloody hell. I've got a pin to line it up with. Fuck's sake. Aye. John, man. I knew that was going to happen and I still fucking carried on and broke the bastard. I knew that was going to happen and I still fucking carried on and broke the bastard. About this droid, fuck off. What are you doing, John, you idiot? You've tightened that, man. This is a bit of decent material. Oh, you bastard! Bit of decent material. Well, you could have seen if the fucking camera was pointing at the job, like. Bastard! That's how you snap a centre drill, just like that. Scabby fucking thing. John, man, you clumsy bastard. Wrong hole, John, man, you thick twat. John, man. John. Fucking hell. I'm going to put a couple of tacks onto it and then we can go about with. John, man. You fucking dick. I couldn't have made it any more out. I'd have fucking tried, you know that. Oh, John, man. Eh? Fucking idiot. More than 40. Look at that bastard. Oh, John, man. Oh, you bastard. It's the fucking end of that, isn't it? Ah. Fuck me, aye. This was in here, but Ian. Fucking wank. I got a nice little copper bastard. I had a nice little copper washer. Oh. John, man. Look, I've got a box full of the bastard things. And it's a fucking mile away. Ah, you fucking clumsy bastard, you! John, man. Bastard fucking sniveller. Fuck me, that's warm. Bastard fucking thing. What else is gonna go around with a scabby fucking job? Oh, John, man, you fucking idiot. What a fucking mess I've made of this. But I hear people saying John hasn't got a little lightweight lathe. Lightweight lathe? You fucking knobhead. Already I can hear people saying, but John hasn't got a small lightweight lathe. He's got a nice big heavy weight Harrison lathe. This is true, but I have also used small lightweight lathes in my day. Fuck off, John. Oh, you bastard. You clumsy twat, John. I had an email from a YouTube company or a YouTube producer or a YouTube fucking whatever they are. I had an email last week from a YouTube, what the fuck's the word? I'll briefly show you the part of the anvil. Not an anvil, you fucking clown, it's a micrometer. Vanguard. It's not Vanguard, you fucking knob. Email address up there. You don't fucking need that though. Fuck, right. Ooh. Hit the bastard thing then.
Hit me.
You hit me. Oh, you got your thumb as well. Oh, well you did. Right. Oh, Dave. You alright? Hey.
You're worried about your own
I
face.
didn't know you stand by the bastard. I didn't know you had a little hand. Let's have a look. Dempsey.
I'm alright.
Oh, Dave, let's have a little look.
Okay, it's alright.
Once again, it's time to say you. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. As usual, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd like to wish all my friends and all my viewers a happy and Merry Christmas. I don't care whether you believe in Christmas, Santa Claus, spacemen, happy holidays, I just don't care. To me, Christmas is a time for families and friends to get together, to make friends again. If you haven't seen a friend or a family member for quite some time, why not pick the phone up, go and see them? Because all of a sudden you'll find it's too late. That normally is at the funeral. So please, go and see them, make friends, enjoy your Christmas or your holidays or whatever. Anyway, happy holidays.